Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's a salad with beans. It's delicious, healthy, and you'll love it. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, we need to cut some cucumbers into little slices. I'm using 2 cucumbers for this salad. Then let's cut some chicken breast. I'm using 300 grams that is already baked in the oven into small squares. Then let's cut 2 tomatoes. Now let's cut a bunch of green onions and a little bit of parsley. Let's plate everything together. Cucumbers, tomatoes, chicken, and 1 can of beans into the bowl. Now let's add the green onions and parsley. A little bit of salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and mix it all together. Also, you can use mayonnaise or sour cream. Let's plate it and try this delicious recipe. Thank you for watching, and if you like this recipe, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.